Do you ever feel drained throughout the day? You are not alone. Many of us experience that midday slump where our energy levels just seem to plummet. It can be frustrating and make it hard to stay productive. Many people struggle with low energy levels. This is a common issue that affects people of all ages and backgrounds. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a stay-at-home parent, feeling tired can impact your daily life. The good news is that you can feel more energized by making simple changes to your lifestyle. These changes don't have to be drastic. Small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in how you feel. It's time to ditch the afternoon slump and reclaim your vitality. Imagine feeling refreshed and alert throughout the day, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. This isn't about complicated routines or restrictive diets. It's about making small, manageable changes that fit into your existing lifestyle. You don't need to overhaul your entire life to see benefits. It's about giving your body the support it needs to thrive. Simple actions like staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and incorporating light exercise can make a world of difference. You can implement these changes gradually. Start with 1 or 2 new habits and see how they make you feel. Over time, you can add more positive changes to your routine. Start with 1 or 2 new habits and build from there. Maybe begin with a short walk each day or adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet. These small steps can lead to big results. Remember, even small adjustments can make a significant difference in how you feel. Consistency is key. Stick with your new habits, and you'll start to notice improvements in your energy levels. Throughout this essay, we'll explore practical tips to boost your energy naturally. From nutrition and exercise to mindfulness and sleep, we'll cover a range of strategies to help you feel your best. Let's embark on this journey to a more energized you. Together, we can make small changes that lead to a big difference in your overall well-being. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to combat fatigue is to stay properly hydrated. Water is a fundamental component of our bodies, making up about 60% of our total body weight. It plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. Aim to drink 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day. This may vary depending on your activity level, climate, and individual needs. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your water intake accordingly. Dehydration can sneak up on you, leading to feelings of tiredness and sluggishness. Even mild dehydration can affect your mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. It's essential to stay ahead of dehydration by drinking water regularly. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including transporting nutrients, regulating body temperature, and flushing out waste products. It also helps to lubricate joints and protect sensitive tissues. Without adequate water, these processes can become compromised. When you're dehydrated, these processes become less efficient, leaving you feeling depleted. This can be particularly noticeable during physical activities or in hot weather, where your body loses water more rapidly. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and take sips throughout the day. This simple habit can make a big difference in maintaining your hydration levels. Plus, using a reusable bottle is an environmentally friendly choice. You can also incorporate hydrating foods into your diet, such as watermelon, cucumber, and spinach. These foods have high water content and can contribute to your overall hydration. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meals can help you stay hydrated and provide essential nutrients. Remember, by the time you feel thirsty, you are likely already slightly dehydrated. Thirst is a late indicator of dehydration, so it's important to drink water consistently throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. So make a conscious effort to drink water consistently. Set reminders on your phone or use apps designed to track your water intake. By making hydration a priority, you can improve your energy levels, support your body's functions, and enhance your overall well-being. The food you eat plays a crucial role in your energy levels. It's not just about what you eat, but also how and when you eat it. Instead of 3 large meals, try eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. This approach can help maintain a steady stream of energy, keeping you active and alert. This helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes that can occur after a heavy meal. When you eat smaller portions more often, your body can digest food more efficiently, leading to better nutrient absorption. Focus on incorporating a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates into each meal. Protein provides sustained energy, helping to repair and build tissues. Healthy fats support hormone production, which is essential for overall well-being. They also help you feel satiated, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options. Complex carbohydrates release energy slowly, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. They are a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods, as these can lead to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, leaving you feeling depleted. Instead, opt for water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices without added sugars. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible to nourish your body and sustain your energy levels. Fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are excellent choices that provide essential vitamins and minerals. Exercise might seem counterintuitive when you're feeling tired, but it's actually one of the best things you can do to boost your energy. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects and can leave you feeling more energized and revitalized. It also improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and increases oxygen flow throughout the body. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's brisk walking, dancing, swimming, or cycling. You can even break up your exercise into shorter intervals throughout the day. Even a 10-minute walk can make a difference. Rest up, recharge. Sleep your way to more energy. Sleep is essential for restoring your body and mind, and getting enough shut-eye is crucial for maintaining optimal energy levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, your body repairs tissues, consolidates memories, and releases hormones that regulate growth and appetite. When you don't get enough sleep, you may experience fatigue, irritability, difficulty concentrating, and weakened immunity. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Create a conducive sleep environment by making sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Prioritize sleep as a non-negotiable part of your self-care routine. Section 6. Power up your plate. Omega-3s for brain and body. Certain foods can directly impact your energy levels, and omega-3 fatty acids are at the top of the list. These healthy fats are essential for brain function, mood regulation, and energy production. Include omega-3 rich foods in your diet, such as fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These foods provide your body with the building blocks it needs to function optimally and combat fatigue. Consider adding a daily fish oil supplement as well, especially if you don't consume fatty fish regularly. Talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. Section 7. Listen to your body. Recognize and combat energy dips. Everyone experiences natural dips in energy throughout the day. Learn to recognize your own patterns and develop strategies to combat these slumps. If you tend to hit a wall in the afternoon, for example, try taking a short walk outdoors, having a healthy snack, or simply taking a few minutes to rest and recharge. Don't underestimate the power of short breaks to reset your energy levels and improve focus. Listen to your body's cues and give it what it needs. Section 8. Small steps, big rewards, building healthy habits. Remember, boosting your energy naturally is a journey, not a race. Don't try to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Instead, focus on making small, sustainable changes gradually. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new habits into your routine and build from there. Celebrate your successes along the way to stay motivated. As you experience the positive effects of these changes, you'll be inspired to continue prioritizing your well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Making these healthy habits a part of your daily life will lead to long-term energy and vitality. Section 9. Embrace the energy. Live life to the fullest. Having more energy allows you to fully embrace life's adventures. When you feel energized, you're more likely to engage in activities you enjoy, connect with loved ones, and pursue your passions. Start implementing these simple yet powerful tips today and feel the difference. You deserve to feel your best. Reclaim your energy and live each day to the fullest.